This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Pull out the safety catch and lift the bonnet. Unclip the support prop and engage the end with the holes in the underside of the bonnet. The engine oil filler cap and level dipstick are often brightly coloured for easy identification. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, then fully reinsert it. Withdraw the dipstick again and examine the oil level. If the oil level is below or near to the minimum mark, topping up is necessary. Rotate the filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Using a funnel to minimise spillage, add the correct grade of engine oil. Add the oil a little at a time, checking the level on the dipstick frequently to bring the level up to the maximum mark. Do not overfill. Securely refit the filler cap. The coolant expansion tank and filler cap are located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. The coolant level should be up to the cold mark on the side of the expansion tank. If topping up is necessary, rotate the filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Add a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water to the expansion tank to bring the level up to the cold mark. Securely refit the filler cap. The fluid reservoir is located at the rear of the engine compartment. The fluid level must be kept between the maximum and minimum marks at all times. If topping up is necessary, clean the area around the top of the reservoir, then rotate the filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Add new DOT4 fluid from a sealed container. Securely refit the filler cap. The power steering fluid reservoir is located at the rear of the engine compartment. Unscrew the filler cap, pull out the level dipstick, wipe it clean, then reinsert it. Withdraw the dipstick again and examine the fluid level. When cold, the level should be at the upper mark on the dipstick. Reinsert the dipstick. If necessary, add the correct grade of fluid. Note that a small funnel and a length of hose will make the job easier. Remove the dipstick and check the level again. With the level correct, securely refit the filler cap. The Screenwash reservoir filler cap is located in the front left-hand corner of the engine compartment. Pull up the cap and examine the level on the dipstick. Where necessary, add a mixture of Screenwash additive and water. Refit the filler cap and dipstick. Disengage the support prop and clip it back into place. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.